Today we will talk about the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. This planet is so fascinating and astonishing that once you learn about it, you will feel like traveling to space just to see it up close. In today's video, we will learn where Jupiter is located, how big it is, what its weather is like, what its surface is like, how many moons it has, and why scientists are researching it. So watch the video until the end so that you can get complete and clear information about this giant planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. The first is Mercury, the second is Venus, the third is Earth, the fourth is Mars, and the fifth is Jupiter. The average distance between Jupiter and Earth is about 778 million kilometers. This means that if we start a journey from Earth to Jupiter, it would take light 43 minutes to reach there. Jupiter is so large that if we put 1,300 Earth-sized planets inside it, there would still be space left. It is 11 times wider than Earth, and its mass is 318 times greater than Earth's. Jupiter's gravity is much stronger than that of Earth. If you weigh 50 kilograms on Earth, your weight would be about 130 kilograms on Jupiter. But due to the absence of a solid surface, you cannot stand on it. Jupiter is entirely made up of gases, mainly hydrogen and helium. Because of this, it has no solid surface. If a human tried to land on it, they would keep falling into the gas clouds, then into the liquid layer, and eventually reach the core where the pressure and heat would be so extreme that survival would be impossible. Jupiter's environment is very dangerous and full of storms. The winds here blow at speeds of 600 kilometers per hour, which is much faster than any storm on Earth. Jupiter has a huge storm known as the Great Red Spot. This storm is about twice the size of Earth and has been raging for hundreds of years. This storm is so powerful that the clouds within it spin rapidly, creating this red-colored circle that we see. The temperature in its upper atmosphere is around -145 degrees Celsius, but in the core, the temperature can reach thousands of degrees. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. It completes one rotation on its axis in just 10 hours, which makes its days very short. Because of this rapid spinning, the planet appears flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field creates radiation belts around it that are very dangerous. This radiation can be deadly for humans, which is why going near Jupiter is very difficult. Jupiter has more than 95 moons. The most famous among them are Ganymede, Europa, Io, and Callisto. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than our moon. Europa has a thick layer of ice, under which there is a possibility of a vast ocean, and scientists are trying to search for life there. Io shows the most volcanic activity, with lava constantly flowing. Callisto is also covered with ice and has large craters on its surface. Several missions have already visited Jupiter. The Galileo spacecraft and the Juno spacecraft have sent close-up images of Jupiter and data about its storms, moons, and magnetic field. Scientists study Jupiter to learn more about the formation of the solar system and other planets. Jupiter's massive gravity plays an important role in changing the paths of asteroids and comets in the solar system, helping to protect Earth from major impacts.